As a channel partner, you can create private offers for your customers from the resale authorization that an AWS Marketplace seller has shared with you. In this video, you will learn how to create a private offer for your customer from your Salesforce CRM using the AWS Partner CRM Connector. The Partner CRM Connector integrates AWS Marketplace and APN directly into your Salesforce environment. This integration empowers your sales team to efficiently co-sell and sell with AWS. For channel partners, it significantly streamlines the management of a shared resale authorization and facilitates the creation and management of private offers, enhancing your ability to customize solutions for your customers. Before you can create a private offer from a resale authorization shared with you, your Salesforce account must be configured with the AWS Marketplace module of the Partner CRM Connector. You can find resources to configure that connector at the end of this video. Once you've configured the Partner CRM Connector to browse resale authorizations available from the seller, in your Salesforce CRM, you can open the Shared Resale Authorizations section. Here is a resale authorization from a seller for a SaaS product. This authorization is valid until October 31st, 2025, and it allows the channel partner to generate multiple customized offers for various clients during this period. Here is the pricing that the seller has associated with the product. The seller has also associated a reseller contract, which the channel partner must accept, and an end-user license agreement that the buyer must accept. Here's a quick sneak peek of the reseller contract. And here's the contract that the customer would need to agree to. Now I will show you the private offer creation workflow. First, you need to provide the customer's AWS account number. The customer will accept the private offer using the AWS account number you provide. To be able to create a private offer, you must accept the reseller agreement that the seller associated with the resale authorization. Next, you can specify an offer name for the offer you're about to create. Then, you can specify whether the entitlement to the product will start immediately after the buyer accepts the offer. For this demo, I will leave the service length as default. As a channel partner, you provide value to your customers and want to be paid for the same. Under the Price Adjustment section, you can specify your markup percentage. Note how the connector calculates the final price, which customers will see on their private offer page. This final price was calculated based on the markup percentage you specified and the wholesale price specified by the seller. Here's the end-user license agreement specified by the seller that the customer would agree to. In addition to the agreement attached by the seller, optionally, you can attach your own custom terms and conditions that the customer must agree to. Finally, you can specify an offer expiration date, and then go ahead and create the offer. Once the offer is ready, its status changes to Succeeded. You can review the details of the offer, and then preview the private offer you just extended to your customer. Here's the customer's view of your private offer. Note how the pricing you specified was associated with your private offer. Congratulations! You just learned how to create an AWS Marketplace private offer from a shared resale authorization using the AWS Partner CRM Connector. Check out these resources to learn how to configure and use the Partner CRM Connector. And thanks for watching.